I'm dropping so many frames.
Oh, Mike just got on. Maybe if you're still down to play, we could play one after.
No, Mike's already on.
Go.
Yeah, come up here.
Ugh, I'm losing so many frames. That's such a shame.
Grenade out.
Mid? Yep, they're all mid. Need help. Bombs down mid. Woo! That was some dirty Awping. Alright, let's hope they don't flank me. Ooh, sorry! Is my ping? Please don't shoot, I only have 4 health. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I just saw a body. He's, outside of their spawn.
Flashbang. Grenade.
Ooh. Am I back? I don't think I'm dropping frames anymore. No, it's
Okay,
still
then.
pretty bad.
Palace maybe then?
No, he's connector. He's at bomb now, and bomb is empty.
Deploying flashbang.
Bomb is all alone. Did he get it? He got
No.
no, he didn't.
No.
Okay. He was underpass. Seems okay now? Awesome. Whoo! I'm 11-0-2. Doing alright. Welcome back, guys. My stream is, yeah, we're in the green! Hey! I guess Twitch or my network had a hiccup. Actually, it had to have been Twitch, because I wasn't, showing any bad ping or anything.